craving bounty bars? Because so have we, and we decided to make our own vegan versions. They're super easy with just 3 ingredients, and we'll even show you how to make 5-minute vegan condensed milk. These bounty bars are amazing for the holiday season. With Diwali coming up and Christmas soon after, they make for some great gifts. So let's dive right into the recipe. We're going to start out with our vegan condensed milk, which is our first ingredient. For this you will need 1 1/4 cup of soy milk powder, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and half a cup of hot water. So all you need to do is blend together all these ingredients. So first add in all of your dry ingredients, so your soy milk powder, sugar and salt, and blend at a high speed. And then just dump in your wet ingredients, so your coconut oil and your hot water. And that's it. Your vegan condensed milk is ready. It looks so creamy and delicious, and we promise it tastes even better. This is gonna serve as the first ingredient of your vegan bounty bars. And now we can move on to our bars. So to get that perfect bar chocolate consistency, we're going to actually temper our chocolate. And I know this sounds super fancy, but trust me, it is so simple. So all you're gonna do is take 1 cup of chocolate and melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Take it out, give it a little mix, and melt it again for 30 seconds. So you want to do this 3 times at 30 seconds and then twice at 15 seconds. Now for our base, we're going to mix 1 1/2 cup of desiccated or shredded coconut with 1/3 cup of our condensed milk that we just made, and this is going to form a thick paste that you can mold into your bars, and you can form about 2-inch rectangular bars. Feel free to make them into balls or whatever shape you'd like. And once this is done, you line a tray with parchment paper and you use your bars, you dip them in your tempered chocolate, and you just line them all up. We really enjoyed doing this. We then just put it into a fridge for a few hours and they were ready to go. You're not going to regret this recipe. It's so easy, it's so yummy, and it's perfect for the festive seasons coming up. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really means a lot to us and it really helps our small channel grow, and we'd really appreciate it. We really appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Bye.